Sumida soda ma ya betina ma poma egafo. Anope ya dia seda ma on ne to bento nyankropo. Kuna bobri nyankropo. Okasa preku nyankopo. Daja obowufu aja. Anope ya dawase na beden ya dawase. Ochira ya bedas. Dade da ya das. Enra ya das. Asidade ya wuguto forever. We shall praise you. Thank you so much, Arapai. 50 minutes past the hour 6, of course. Da Ade Akye Abia era benada kwabna ene abna formoda. Da at Thompson yehwe bibi free Proverbs chapter 3 verse number 5 to 6. Proverbs chapter 3 verse number 5 to 6. Mebusam etrebiansa ninkenkan so enum kwapim siano. Mamin kind free brofodansa. Or say trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not depend on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him and he shall direct your path. For our kumenyina bata erade ho na mfa wo ho untwire wankasa onti ase so emfa wo ho entwire wankasa nti ase so. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, it is in some ways, in most ways, in all your ways, acknowledge him. And lean on your own understanding in all your ways. Akwenyinemu. And he shall direct your path. Or not the better to wadnamon esi niekron. I want you to understand certain things this morning. And never be a person who can't say what you say. Yawa yade to yahu so edi ehwamo. Wakasa de ho to ebia wonim die bi so. Ara odo ho to physical appearance obu awabo pa. Tebacho no ya no msemba cho no. Yes, you see wa betre ewo bro ebo. Tiara that time so I attack us and your body ni bebre. Obuwa o hera council ni botomwa. No de ho ato so said ye tie bia anya hwe ne ye de mbekọ abono ne akwa akohwe me yade. Oh na asem no nya asem ambisika beji charge me. So that is what we are relying on. Aria tosu mienu ya tai ade ya ho tu nipa so. Hwe me ka asem bia chone. Ade a obi wo ho a eye ne den so obeya ma on. Oyema obi fufuro fala o. Yeah, you don't know. There are certain things, they are cophobia. They find it difficult. So mobile amount. But the corner, oh, we are moving from easy crowd with ease crowd with just an ease. Aye. A day of you hours a day we at the pass over amount. Or more before ease. No matter the relationship, how close you are to the person, boare badam wo bia firi no ba so saade no oyama obi wa bontene fofofofofofo kra ebia wa adwe ma so ari awuza ade we de na ade kra me kwa kobusa babre obe de kra ya amame ade we de ase we de doso na we kra de mechanic say you kra you are contemplating talk good ho sa de kro na oyema obi foforo simple kra ebia wo de anka de obenya ye thousand bi but 1,000 I want to say then or more be 5,000 with ease. Yes. Yes. Even in our relationship, over crowd chimpna. Or I say on any kuru cranity. I did when you couldn't your money that, and boy your money that, and get your money that. And Sadia no your money powerful from one chain with ease. I don't tell our I want you to understand the say. So don't want to hoso no kra no try to say and fa won to wan kasa wo so and fa won to nim de so and fa won to wan ofe so and fa won to car so ufie so uzika so wan kasa so enye na ade won to obi so kra de ne na watiti olo won to obi so na ne de watiti kra. So this morning I want your trust to be in God. Kora fwa ye do mu nam and even anuanom kura ye ni binam ade bi wa wonye wo fie da na so be kwa bonte so o obra kura na be ye we o obra kura na ade we ko school obra na mami we ya na kro be fa aso fie na ye de ama no bra ne nante pa yamwa wa utim so yamwa kwa mu se wo te so Sabu wada uyana oyema obi foforo wa bontin with ease. Sha, I'm telling you this. Udo msa John Kuno one na ekoneba. O branie we die mi chocho mcho. That thing that is finding difficult to do for you is doing the same thing with ease for someone else. Adiara who say ding ana ding man so obeboa no sa de kro na akone kobuso waya mobi. It tells you say emfa won to nipa da semi so. Do not rely on anybody. Don't depend on anybody. In all your ways acknowledge him. In all your ways rely on God, and he will direct your path. You don't lose anything when you rely on God. On should be our assassin so say with GDA out or so so out or so GDA with Yakupuma. You don't lose anything. But so be a oh, brother, papa, maybe, and you see the kind of commitment, and Yama, oh, Yamano, and Yawumpanka, Bayamanu could have sacrificed for that same person, and so on Yamau. Why, she ya, oh, the to the pass of Bedmudru. I shall be so one comfort. But I pay the only person that you can rely on. I would no drew. And he's not going to fail you. Just give time some time. It's a matter of time, and God will show you the exact way. Lean not on your own understanding. Found to husupebre na compense yonko oni na say wofa. That catch you be say, you usually off amba. Timi de prayer. I have a tour now say I got your cotompa boabrel. I was airport to crap right in no more boom. To Lord himself, pub one day and so bad. See, I didn't have a bongo crazy. Be any grow wookie. Then I need to offer episode, then I need to bread episode, then I need to sister episode, or then I need to your go episode. Massa! Oh, trusting someone is like signing your death warrant. Trusting a friend, trusting a brother, Trusting human being, ni pass or dipedi. It is a sign who krata is like signing your death warrant. Cause your bumper mouth shock be ma. You regret. Trust only in God. I don't pay you and Uncle Poma and Tiasia. No me and you are no me and Tiasia. So may the peace of our Lord Jesus passes all understanding be with us this morning. We say assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam. It's a beautiful Tuesday morning. And there tosu edunsi abosumi insianim. Ade Akye Abia pay. From the now Kwame Nkwantabisa amanfo nyina Nkwantabisa. No pay ye jegum pa and so ewo ho na ya sumo suma sum kese na me koba exactly 7 years sport for betrase koba Kwame Jaku be joining us. So no Barbara executive producer for the show and he listens so ana a jinam MCR gidi. There's a lot that is happening, and this morning we are going to discuss on Ade Akye Abia. Deputy EC Chair, Era Boss Masari, Ade the Jumena Ebebe ye or Chokata Kwashi data or Bob. No so there's another deputy. I no so I resign. I don't pay ye Bishumna Yedin Komo. I have some money Yaka Sim say Ghana. Yenhwe other cities na yenya sha kra same with Abia yeka ya say be decentralization be sine bibiankran o areas bi otakra disunwane mo takwa mo kepos there are areas bi wa ye develop hodun a ebe yi yenya say ye choking kran bibiankran na nkofo that is why aya wonya development say stagnant, baby. You see a stagnant development. 71% of Ghanaians approve of Bahama performance. Global Info Analytics say Ghana for Bupempe and your Somba could dear. So Bahama a Juba. I don't pay and also so I giddy. Yakoba, a benya butcher na Yashim na man forecast a buying by or this can be like a can't appointees, you know. I buy cast and for. Era Felix of Fusuka Chabaka said no crebiata enim our honum no crebia enim and also Yakoba and pay ye bedi a honkomo and so ha only said Tamaun to me case and say lawyer appear could be every honor and if you want to say any power about me lord lawyer attach ya and also take over and also had to pay Yabeka work the mister I am ready. Sansuna Mbapa I am ready. Wisdom I am ready. Nkumsa Afei Prince mo team nina I am ready. The sports no Ebrain Yakoba anopay yebetwa so and so my komra na anopay yeni enkomo and so